Room tour on the Norwegian Jewel, room 8512. It has been lived in, so bear with me. Just packing up to leave now. Yeah, you got this little door, you got all of these little storage compartments. Light pops on, you got a good amount of hangers, life jacket. That's what that little logo's for. More life jackets, more hangers, safe, a couple drawers. You got this little mini fridge, but you gotta remember, take out the food. Forgot that was even in there. A couple of cubbies. Now there's one regular outlet. I think this is two regular outlets. And two USBs. Got your TV. We're almost back to Boston. Mirror here, mirror there. Got all these storage, shelving. Got a little stool to sit on. And we got the two twins, but they combined to one single room. Also has the window, which you won't be able to see anything out of. Even before it got dark, it was very foggy. Now, I believe this is a connecting room because we have a door in it. Some of the rooms have like pull down bunk beds. We do not have that in this room. Yeah, some shelves. I think I already said that. Watch your step because you do step up. And, you know, towel holders and whatnot, sink, shower. It's pretty decent. I think the one on the Amtrak was better, but the bathroom's not gigantic, but it's spacious enough. And that's my room review. Thanks for watching.